In a softly lit nursery, Maya feels a tiny itch on her nose and scrunches her face in wonder. She sneezes with a burst of giggles, rolls onto a cushion, and wears a pastel onesie that reads under the weather. Turning, she nudges a teething ring and with a tiny squeak, spills the beans about a sneaky snack. Then she spots blocks, stacks a tiny tower, and declares break a leg as she slides through a playful tunnel. The scene settles, Maya hugs a plush friend, and the nursery glows warm as soft sounds close the day.